Go. We on, man. We on. Hold on. Technical difficulties. How y'all coming, man? Look. Hey, I'm back. Hey. Somebody tell Self-Made Real stop being inconsistent, man, you know? Tell them stop being inconsistent. Hey, I'm back, man. I'm back on my YouTube shit. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. June, I'm trying to go. My goal is to go 30 for 30 with YouTube videos, man. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm trying to post every day. If I don't post every day, I'm pushing myself to post at least 20 YouTube videos this month, man. Like, I'm not playing with my potential no more. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna take off with this YouTube shit. Like, it's about that time, man. And I'm making some big ass moves this month. Y'all gonna see. You know, it's about that time where y'all finna see how this trading shit get, man. Life of a trader, life of a profitable day trader. And I'm a shorty doing this shit, man. I'm finna rack. I'm only 21 years old. And I'm finna just show y'all how to move in this shit. You know, I'm finna show y'all how this world go. But look, man. Hey, May was a beautiful month for trading, man. I'm finna put the screenshot on the screen. I made $23,000 last month off of trading stock options, man. So the last week of May was kind of wacky. I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of a tough week as far as trading. But overall, May was a great ass month, you know what I'm saying? So I'm up 23K. Hey, if y'all want to make some money, man, if y'all want the sauce, if y'all trying to become financially free, get into options trading, man. You know, I'm giving y'all the sauce, I'm giving y'all the game, and I'm telling y'all exactly what you need to be doing in order to make money, man. You know, learn the skill, a high income skill such as day trading and investing, man. You know, so like when you looking at the charts and when you looking at the chart patterns, when you pull up the charts for the first time, I guarantee you do not know what you're looking at, you know what I'm saying? But if you put that time in, if you put that work in, if you grind and actually practice on the charts, you gonna become profitable, man. I ain't gonna lie, like on my trading journey, I lost a lot of money, gang. Like, I ain't even finna sit up here acting like I came into this shit over balling, big balling. No, I lost a lot of money on this journey, and I took some big ass L's. As of now, my biggest L in a day, yeah, I took a $25,000 L, man. I ain't gonna lie, like some big L's came with this shit. But your wins, and once you get on that winning streak, and once you start breaking through, like it's like once you break through, you break through the matrix, man. It's like you crack the code to this life shit. You crack the code to making money, and overall, you crack the code on how to get rich, man. You feel me? And once I finally broke through that cycle, it was like all I seen was green. I ain't gonna lie. It's like my whole life changed. So I just give all my grace to God, because you know, he put it in my face, and I just took off with it. You know, I ain't gonna lie. And it's a tough ass journey. Like, I ain't even finna sit up and act like I made it. I ain't finna sit up and act like I'm the richest trader ever. In my opinion, I'm still bottom tier with this shit. Like, I got so much room for growth, so much room for potential. I just got so much room for elevation, man. As far as business, as far as trading, and overall, just becoming a better trader, man. Like, this $23,000 that y'all see, this is, you know, not to compare myself or nothing. Like, I'm grateful, you know, all praise to the higher power. I'm very grateful for what I achieved, you know, especially from the fact that I came from nothing. But it's like I just got so much of a bigger vision for myself, and I know that this shit, the profits and the gains, just gonna get bigger and bigger. Like, my goal is 50 plus K months off of trading, man. 50K plus months off of trading, you know. So, hey, it's a grind. I'm only 21 with this sauce, so I already know by the time I'm 25, 30, I'm gonna be well over a millionaire. So at this rate, I already did the numbers, I already did the math, man. At this rate, I should be a millionaire by the time I'm 23 years old, man. So I'm 21 right now. If I keep going at this pace, because y'all know it's only gonna get better from here, it's only gonna go up from here. So I should be a millionaire. Well, I am going to be a millionaire before I'm 23. I'm stamping that shit right now, and I'm putting that shit into the universe, man. But look, let me, I'm finna just give y'all some plays, give y'all some sauce, and I'm just finna help y'all out, man. So before I do that, man, I'm finna spark this weed up. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, my fault, man, that my camera had fell off of my stand. Hey, but look, what was I finna say? I'm finna share my screen. I'm finna show y'all what plays to get into. So these are the plays that I'm about to take as far as moving forward, man. So I'm finna give y'all 2 free plays. I'm finna show y'all how much money I made off of these plays already. And I'm finna give y'all some free sauce and some free game on how to find these long-term / swing setups. I ain't gonna lie. This $23,000 payout that y'all see, this is from a mixture of day trading and swing trading, man. So I've been kind of holding back with day trading for a few days, just because I don't like how the market been moving. There's been a lot of manipulation going on with Trump talking, and it's just been a lot of news going out. I mean, it's just been a lot of news getting pushed out, and like a lot of moves hasn't been holding. It's just been a lot going on, so I've been kind of bagged off with the day trading, man. But the swings have been going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. So I think I found my new wave when it come to trading, man. I'm finna really dive deep, heavily into leaps and swings, man. Cause if y'all don't know, my analysis and my thesis, why would I risk every day when I could put a nice chunk of money into an A+ setup that took, you know, 3 to 6 weeks to set up, right? So when you put your money in this setup that took some time to set up, 8 times out of 10 it's gonna play out in your favor, man, because the setup actually took time to set up, man. And this is the most sauce for y'all. I've been making way more money off of swings lately. And don't get me wrong, I still day trade. That's my first passion. I'm a forever day trade, forever, man. I'm gonna keep doing that shit. But swings, I'm really stepping into my swing bag, man. And that bitch been getting full. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? So hey, June and the rest of the year, it's finna get like that, man. I ain't gonna lie. No bad, but I'm finna share my screen a few. And I'm finna just show y'all how this shit get, man. I ain't gonna lie. So look, while I'm flaming this wood up, this what you could be doing right now, you know. Go to the app store and download 2 apps, right? So the 2 apps you gonna need is Charles Schwab and Thinkorswim. Charles Schwab is the brokerage that I use to trade off of, and Thinkorswim is the actual trading app that I use to execute my trades. You know what I'm saying? So you can't have one without the other, man. Thinkorswim is a part of Charles Schwab, man. So make you an individual Charles Schwab account right now. I don't recommend. I mean, Robinhood good, Webull good. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with those apps. But the trading app that I use personally is Charles Schwab, Thinkorswim, man. So y'all want to make y'all an individual account right now. Sign up for that. Make sure you add options trading. So when you signing up for your account, it's gonna be like, do you want to add options trading to your account? You want to press yes. You know what I'm saying? So add options trading to your account, then you ready to go, man. You know what I'm saying? They got an option on there where you could paper money, you know, demo trade on a fake account. If you're just trying to learn the ropes of trading, I recommend paper trading. You know what I'm saying? But overall, make sure y'all make you a Thinkorswim account, man. Do that ASAP, you know? Let me just shut my screen, man, and get straight to it, man. Let's get it. Alright, bet. Let's see. Alright. So as y'all see, man, this play been going crazy, man. DECK ticker symbol deck. Overall, I'm up 63% off of this position, and I'm up $2,640, man, off of this one move. You know what I'm saying? And look, here go the sweet thing about Deck didn't even make the move yet. So what I mean by that is still depending on when you see in this video, it's still an opportunity to get in this position right now and capitalize and make money, man. So I'm finna give y'all my chart analysis on why Deck is a good play. But up as of now, today, I'm up $2,640 off of this play, and I'm letting this play ride out. I'm letting this bitch ride to the top, man. You know what I'm saying? So here's the Deck play, DECK ticker symbol. Type that in, boom. So this is why I like this Deck play so much, you know. So overall, I do something when I look for my setups. I do something called top-down analysis. So what that means is I like to start from a higher time frame and then work my way down, just so I can see what the stock is doing. You know what I'm saying? So you never want to find your long-term setups off of the 5-minute chart or off of the 15-minute chart. You want to zoom all the way out, and you want to trade off a bigger time frame so you can catch bigger moves. You know what I'm saying? So this is why you know, top-down analysis is so important, so you can see what's going on overall on that stock when you jot down to a bigger time frame, such as the weekly time frame or the daily time frame, right? But overall, just take a look at this dip, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me turn these moving averages off. Take a look at this dip, you know. So if I just pull up the info line, actually let me go to the daily chart and let me pull up the info line. So what the info line does, it tells you the percentage of how much the stock dropped and why this would be a good buy, right? So if I start from the nearest highs and then work my way down to the lows, we can see that Deck has dropped 57.99%. So we just gonna run it up to 58. Deck has dropped 58% from its most previous all-time highs, man. So this is a for sure buy. You know what I'm saying? How to get rich off the stock market is you supposed to buy at the dip. So anytime a stock dips, anytime a stock drops more than 20%, this is the sauce, man. So how do you find a percentage on how much a stock drop? Pull up that info line, start from the previous highs on the daily, and work your way down. Then it's gonna tell you the percentage right here. So at 20%, this one I like to start scaling in. You know what I'm saying? So 20% would have been around $178, you know. But I just seen this play not too long ago, and luckily I caught it at 57, you know, 58%, you know what I'm saying? So this is a for sure buy, you know what I'm saying? Just because we at that dip. So overall, we at that dip. And let me just go to this daily chart, and I also see this double bottom, right? So I see 2 wicks off the bottom, basically implying that Deck wants to go, right? So the first wick is right here. It wicked, it went all the way up, and it had dropped again. It wicked again off the same exact level. We just gonna mark this 96 level as a key level. You know what I'm saying? So I'm showing y'all how to find y'all, you know, do y'all analysis when y'all charting, right? So look, we wicked off these lows twice, you know what I'm saying? So basically what that means is this is what price wants to go. Price wants to bounce, you know what I'm saying? It's not, price do not want to go any lower. It's building a base and it wants to bounce, you know what I'm saying? So Deck has bounced, and this is the main confluence that made me want to get in Deck. You know, we also have this gap to fill on the daily, right? So as you can see, this 109, this golden level, we have a gap to fill all the way up into 122.5, right? So all this so eventually in the stock market, stocks have to fill this gap. So this gap that's with no candlesticks, all of this has to eventually get filled, you know what I'm saying? So a break above 109, we have a gap to fill all the way up into 122.5. So this is nothing but money you could be making, right? So the first confluence is we at those lows. Your second confluence is we are down 58% overall on this stock, and your third confluence is we have a whole gap to fill to the upside. So if y'all want to make some money, man, depending on when you're watching this video, make sure you buy a deck for the long term, man. So I recommend buying some swings, and I recommend getting some leaps on this play. You know what I'm saying? And this is just the beginning of deck. I'm up $2,640 off a deck, and it didn't even make the move yet. You know what I'm saying? So deck is about to go. This play is doing 100% plus. You know. Now look, man, I'm finna give y'all some more sauce. If y'all want access to all of my plays and signals live, join my trading Discord, SelfMade Society, man. The information is going to be in the description of this video. So what my trading Discord is I tell you what all plays I get into, right? So if you go to this section where it says swing trades, I got my day trades, I got my trade recaps, I got my swing trades, and I got my leap size long-term trades. You know what I'm saying? But this was a swing trade, so I signaled this play out to my Discord. You know what I'm saying? So let's just click on swing trades, and when did I call this play out? Boom. Okay, so I called this play out May 28th, 2025. So as you can see, I say I'm filled on deck June 13th, 109 calls. My average is 2.45, right? So if I go back to my contracts, this is the same exact contract that I'm in. June 13th, 2025 for 109 calls. Right, so if you want to get rich with me, I recommend to join my trading Discord, because I tell you exactly what play I'm getting into. I give you analysis, a full breakdown on why I'm getting into the play, and I tell you when to fully get out, man. So, I have people that join my Discord, quit their job, change their life, and now they learned how to trade because they invested into themselves. They joined my Discord, and now they learned the skill of trading, man. So this is something that I recommend for you. You know what I'm saying? If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn, what best setups to get in as far as day trades, swings, leaps, and long-term trades, I recommend to join my Discord, man. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, and I live trade with the chat, man. And we all make money together, man. So look, if y'all want to join this community, the description, the information gonna be in the description, man. So I say field deck, added to deck, boom. And then as you can see, overall, it just started to go up 25%, 32%, trimming, 26, 40, etc., etc. And I caught this whole move, So deck is pulled back a little bit, but I'm still holding deck, man, because deck is about to do 100% plus. So this is a free play that I just gave y'all. You know what I'm saying? And let's just take a look at the game section, man. So this how much money that my members are actually making, right? So today, we gonna go to the day, because I day trade as well. You know what I'm saying? So I live day trade with the chat every day. So today, June 2nd, 2025, I made $498 off of Tesla, right? So I say low Tesla, 317.5 puts, field Tesla, 10%, trim, 22% fully up, right? So if you want to live day trade with me live, if you want access to my plays, join my Discord, and you can catch all of my plays with me live every single day, man. You know what I'm saying? I could just go up and show y'all what I do, So I'm very transparent with my on my trades, and you can just see, from the whole month of May, all of my profits, my whole P&L, man. So the 23,000 that I showed y'all, you could just look at the receipts for yourself and see all the money that I'm making every day, man, off the stock market, man, And this is my dub section. So what my dub section is, this is my chat members. So we gonna see how much my chat members up, So we got this. So we got Do. He up $3,000 off of SPX calls today. You know what I'm saying? He did 533%. He went crazy. And this is just today. This is just on June 2nd, man. Let me see. This is just June 2nd. So we eat every day. I ain't gonna lie. This shit every day, man. SelfMade really put me on $390 on the day, now just $66 on the week. So y'all could just join my chat for y'all self and just scroll up and see, how many lives that I'm impacting, man. And once you learn to master the skill of day trading, you could do shit just like this, man. Y'all seen my whole journey. I literally got rich off of trading right in front of y'all face, man. You know, right in y'all face. So look, if y'all want access to this, like I say, the link to my Discord, SelfMade Society, will be in the comments, or it will be in the description of this video, man. So make sure y'all tap in, come get access. You know what I'm saying? So here go another play I'm finna get y'all, man. Free play. You know, because I said I'm gonna do 2 plays. ENPH. So really the same thing as deck. It fell from these highs, and just simple, buy the dip. You know, that's all you doing is just buying the dip, man. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? So look, this is the weekly time frame. Right, so the current price of ENPH is $41, but the all-time highs of ENPH was what, $350 roughly. Let's see. The all-time highs of ENPH was $338, man. So this stock has the value to go right back up, man. Look where we at right now. So like I said, depending on when you're watching this video, we have space to go all the way back up to the highs, man. So currently, I am in ENPH, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I called this play out live to my Discord, right? So here go the play right here, right? I say, field ENPH July 18th, $45 calls. My average is 2.27. You know what I'm saying? A couple hours later, I was up 34%, $1,000 off ENPH, and I'm still holding ENPH, man. And I'm only up $1,000 as of now, but I'm still holding. I should be projected to do at least $2,000 plus off of this play. So this is another free play that I'm giving y'all, man. ENPH. You know, we at this dip right now, so it's very simple. Just buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? Just buy the dip. That's all you doing. You know what I'm saying? And here go another confluence. We also have this gap to fill as well. So if y'all didn't notice by now, them little gaps is kind of like my favorite plays, my favorite setups. You know what I'm saying? So we at this 41.4 currently, and we have a gap all the way to fill to $47, man, which is at the top right here. So we have nothing but room into $47, you know. So we $6 away right now. So we got nothing but room to the upside, man. So I'm currently up $1,000 off of ENPH. But you know, this thing is about to go and make me even more money, man. So I just gave y'all some free sauce in this video, man. Look, make sure y'all tap in SelfMade Society. The link is in the description. Come make this money, man. I'm giving y'all the sauce. I'm teaching y'all the game, and I'm teaching y'all the way to get rich. You just got to apply that information and put this shit to use, man. Let's do it. Let's do it, shorty.